Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This video is about to add the field in an attribute table. How we can add any other column, any other row in attribute table. In this video, we will learn how to add the new field in our attribute table. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos, for more GIS tutorials. Soon we are introducing with the basic GIS course, and I hope that will be a great initiative from our side to understand, for better understand for yourself. Okay, now I will tell you how we can add different fields in an attribute table. Remember one thing: when we are adding any field in attribute table, do not start the editor. Just you should have to check either your editor is stopped or started. Okay, my editor is stopped now. Okay, after checking that, you have to move to the layer of which you want to add the fields, in which you want to change the attribute table by adding a different field or this or that. Okay, this is your attribute table, and in this way you can add, if you want to add any other column here containing any other information about this all data, you have a simplest way to add the field. Okay, many people are don't know how we can add that. I will tell you how we can add the field. Okay, after that, opening that, just click on here, and after that go to the add field button. Okay, after going to the add field button, you can give him any name. Okay, here I want already my name of the country is represented in this column. There you can check, this is the name of country, Pakistan. I want here the area of, let's suppose I want to add the area I just want to add a field of area. Okay, here there will be a long integers. Okay, precision, from where you use the precision number of 5. You can change anything. This is a short integer, you can give in the precision. This is a long integer. I just check in the for numbers, I just give it the value to the long integer. This is the floating point. It's okay, means how much your text will be float after a comma, after a comma. This is your double. Okay, this is for your text. For text, you have only to give the length of the text, how much the number of characters that your text is being contained. Okay, I just want to add the area. This will be a longer integer, and precision should be of 5. And okay, a new field of an area has been created in our attribute table, that you can check that. Okay, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Do share with your friends and fellows. In the next video, we will learn how to calculate the area of all the districts with the help of attribute table. Okay, and thank you so much. Thank you for your time.